Okay guys, we meet again through video of course, and I hope you're healthy at home, and please don't skip this. Try to do it slowly, it's okay. You don't have to rush and you don't have to do it at once. You can do it slowly, but at least you do it all of it. And the one that I have already asked you to do recording, that is also part of the learning too. So it's not always about tasks and exercises. I want you to do speak and read also, because learning language is not always about those exercises. That's only things you have learned at school. You know, what you learn at school and what you learn here are different. Languages is always be there. You can use it for the tool of communications. It's different with math and civic. You need language to tell about those. Even you can change math with English representation. So learning English is about communication, okay? Don't forget that. So now please check your class book first. Make sure your, what is that, how many pages, 98, 99, 102, 103, 104, 105, along with the speaking and reading record you have sent. If you haven't, please send it. It's okay. Miss, it's already late. I've not sent to you by the deadline. That means it's okay. You still can send it. I want to listen to your reading and your speaking. Now workbook, page 84 and 85, which is 84, you need your class book to help you to answer 84. But 85, let's discuss together, okay? So here I need your help to check your own answer and make sure your answer is correct or not. If your answer is not correct, you can correct it by yourself and you can actually score it by yourself. So this is your work, page 85. So please open the book and let's discuss this together. So let's see there. Part 1. Read and circle. Canada has 2 official languages, English and French. Many Canadians can speak both of these languages. So the answer already there, because that is the example, which is we need to do the rest. So let's start. They are blah 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 for about 60% of people. English is there. So guys, because we still talk about Canadian only has 2 languages there. The answer for number 2 is bilingual, okay? Bilingual. They are bilingual for about 60% of people. English is there. Number 3 is mother tongue. Because native speaker is the person. Mother tongue is in bahasa is bahasa ibu, like that. So English is actually their mother tongue. And then most Canadians actually talking about the people. So the answer is native speaker. Whose native speaker is France, live in the province of Quebec. Okay? So that's okay, let's continue. People from different parts of Canada sounds a bit different from each other because they speak with different. This one, be careful, because dialects and accent actually can confuse you there. So this one, the answer is accent, because the accent is the sound. Be careful. Accent is the sound, and then there are different form. Form of language itself is dialect. So there are different forms of language in different places too. These are called dialect. dialects. Yes, of course, some people who live in Canada come from different countries. These people are often, you can see English, French, and their own language, more than 2 languages. That means you need to answer multilingual there. Multilingual because they speak English, French, and their own language. So yeah, but it often takes a long time before they are fluent in all this language. The answer is fluent. Okay, let's go here, which is you need to match it. Masonry, I think you have already done it, but check it. If you done it right, tick it. If you done it wrong, correct it. And then score it by yourself. Masonry noun, mason in general, or lots of mason machine together. That's C. Forgery, noun, a copy of money or a famous painting that someone pretend is real. That is A, forgery. And then robbery, noun, when someone steals something from a person or a place. This is D, okay? And then recovery, noun, the time when you get better after being ill. Easy, right? And then this one, be careful guys. This one actually can trick you too, because you need really pay attention. And I will answer it for you, and you just need to check your own and score it by yourself. Let's go straight to the point. Number 2. Kelly is very interested in blah blah blah. She makes delicious food. Cookery. Is there cookery there? Yes. You just need to change it into noun because the instruction there, complete the sentence, use ERY to make the words into noun. So Kelly is very interested in cookery. That is the answer. And then number 3. This isn't a real Roman coin. It is a forgery. Because there is no fakery there. That's ridiculous, I said. Fakery. So number 3 is forgery. Number 4. My cousin was very ill, but he made a quick recovery. Yeah. So recovery, cookery, and forgery, you crossed it. If you did answer it correctly, you just need to tick it. Okay? Tick them. And then number 5. My sister rescued me when I was in danger. I will never forget her bravery. Bravery means keberanian, right? And then number 6, we need some bread. Is there a bakery near here? You know bakery, Holland Bakery. You know Holland Bakery, when you go inside and you find many kinds of bread. And then number 7, they use modern machinery. Yes, modern machinery in this factory. That is kind of weird, right? They use modern machinery in this factory. They use, because we have already used there, that means they use modern machines in this factory. Machine also noun, you know. So that I can accept. You can choose machinery or machine, because both of them noun. Remember the instruction asked you to change it into noun, right? Yeah. And then number 8, there was a robbery at the museum. Someone took 6 paintings. Okay. New task for you, which is you just need to do it slowly. It's okay. I only give you 2 pages. 88 and 89. Just simple exercise, okay? So remember, class book page, only checking it. No, check them. And then workbook 84 and 85. 85 we have discussed together, and you do it by yourself by scoring it. And then new task for you is 88 and 89. That's all. You can do it slowly. Thank you very much for participation. And then thank you, and please be healthy at home. Goodbye.